Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sarah's Crochet. Today we will see how to make a beautiful baby blanket. This is the model blanket. I will show you how much it measures. This bottom line will be the length of the blanket and this side will be the height of the blanket. The size may vary depend on your requirement. Now let's move to the video. Crochet hook size 3 mm. Start with the slip knot. Work baseline that measures 44 inches, or it may vary depend on your crochet project. Now work single crochet in the second chain. Work one chain, skip the next chain, then work double crochet in next 3 chain. Now we have worked one single crochet, one chain. On base chain we have skipped one chain, then we have worked 3 double crochet. Again we have to repeat one chain, skip one chain from base chain, then we have to work 3 double crochet. Again work one chain, skip one chain and work 3 double crochet. The same pattern will be repeated to the chain length. In the end, if you don't have sufficient chains, you can take this knot outside. Now you can pull the thread, make it tighter. Now you have one chain. At the end of the row, you have to work one chain and one single crochet. Now we have completed row 1, row 2, 1, 2, 3 chain, turn your work. In chain space, you have to work one double crochet. Now In the third double crochet, you have to work 1 single crochet and work 3 chain, and in the next space you have to work 3 double crochet. Now again you have to work single crochet in third double crochet. Again work 3 chain and 3 double crochet in next space. Now work single crochet in third double crochet, work 3 chain and 3 double crochet in next chain space. Again you have to repeat the same pattern. You have to repeat the same pattern for all the chains. Now we came to the end of this row. Here we should not work single crochet in this point. Instead you have to work the single crochet in the last chain. We have completed row 2. Now work 3 chain, turn your work. Now we have to work double crochet over here. Then we have to work single crochet, work 3 chain, and work 3 double crochet in the next chain space. We are repeating the same steps from row 2. Next we have to work 1 single crochet, and work 3 chain, we have to work 3 double crochet in next chain space. Again work 1 single crochet, three chain, 3 double crochet in next chain space. Then we have to work 1 single crochet, we are repeating the same pattern. till the end of this row. Now we have completed round 3. To end this round, you have to work in space between the turning chain and the double crochet. Work one single crochet in between. Now you have to work 3 chain, turn your work. You have to work the double crochet in this space. Work one single crochet, work 3 chain, then work 3 double crochet in next space. The same steps will be repeated for the entire blanket. Three double crochet, you have to repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So this is how it looks when you have completed the pattern. It looks similar on both the sides. It looks more beautiful and very easy to work. You have to repeat the same steps for all the rows. If you like my video, please do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Also please do turn on notification to receive my videos. Thank you for watching.